The concept of alien cover-ups refers to the belief that governments or other authoritative entities are intentionally hiding evidence of extraterrestrial life and UFO, unidentified flying object, sightings from the public. According to this belief, there is a deliberate effort to conceal information about encounters with intelligent alien civilizations or evidence of their existence. The idea of alien cover-ups has been popularized through conspiracy theories, books, movies, and various media platforms. Advocates of these theories argue that governments are engaged in a systematic cover-up to suppress information that could potentially disrupt societal order or challenge established beliefs. Some common claims and arguments associated with alien cover-ups include: 1. UFO sightings. Proponents of alien cover-ups often point to numerous UFO sightings that they believe have been intentionally dismissed or explained away by authorities. They argue that these sightings provide evidence of extraterrestrial spacecraft visiting Earth. 2. Roswell incident. The Roswell incident in 1947 is frequently cited as evidence of an alien cover-up. It is claimed that a crashed UFO and its occupants were recovered by the U.S. government, but the official explanation was a weather balloon. Believers argue that the government concealed the true nature of the incident. 3. Whistleblower testimonies. Some individuals claim to have insider knowledge or direct involvement in government cover-ups regarding extraterrestrial life. These whistleblowers often provide testimonies and accounts that support the existence of hidden information about aliens. Certainly, here are some additional points to consider when discussing the topic of alien cover-ups. 4. Government motives. Supporters of the alien cover-up concept often question the motives behind government secrecy. They propose that governments fear the social, political, and religious consequences that would arise from confirming the existence of extraterrestrial life. It is believed that the revelation of advanced alien civilizations or technology could potentially disrupt societal norms and power structures. 5. Official disclosure efforts. Some proponents of alien cover-ups claim that there have been ongoing efforts by certain groups or individuals within the government to push for the official disclosure of classified information about aliens. They argue that there are individuals who want to release suppressed evidence but face resistance from higher authorities. 6. Suppressed technologies. Another aspect related to alien cover-ups is the notion that advanced technologies derived from extraterrestrial sources are being hidden from the public. Supporters suggest that discoveries made from crashed UFOs or through contact with aliens have been reverse-engineered and utilized secretly by governments or secretive organizations for their own benefit. 7. Whistleblower allegations. Numerous individuals have come forward over the years claiming to be former government insiders or military personnel with first-hand knowledge of alien cover-ups. These whistleblowers assert that they were involved in classified programs, witnessed UFO encounters, or had access to confidential documents confirming the existence of extraterrestrial life. 8. Cultural impact. Alien cover-ups and conspiracy theories surrounding them have had a significant cultural impact. They have inspired books, movies, documentaries, and online communities dedicated to exploring and promoting alternative explanations for UFO sightings and alleged government secrecy. It's important to note that while these arguments and claims exist, there is no substantial verifiable evidence to support the existence of a widespread alien cover-up. The scientific community encourages critical thinking, skepticism, and evidence-based inquiry when exploring claims related to extraterrestrial life. While there may be unexplained phenomena and mysterious events, attributing them solely to a deliberate cover-up may overlook alternative explanations, including misinterpretations, hoaxes, and the limitations of human perception. The search for extraterrestrial life continues through scientific exploration, space missions, and the ongoing efforts of researchers around the world. However, it is important to note that the existence of alien cover-ups lacks credible evidence and is primarily based on anecdotal accounts, conspiracy theories, and misinterpretation of information. The scientific community generally requires verifiable and reproducible evidence before accepting extraordinary claims. Governments and official institutions typically attribute UFO sightings to natural phenomena, misidentifications, or classified military activities. While some sightings remain unexplained, it does not necessarily imply a cover-up or evidence of extraterrestrial life. The scientific search for extraterrestrial life, known as astrobiology, is an active field of research that is conducted with transparency and openness. Projects like the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, actively explore signals from space, and various space missions investigate the potential for habitable environments on other planets and